Hey guys, welcome to a new video on the channel Carful. First of all, I would like to do a proposal to you all guys. Subscribe to my channel, go to the comments section and put there a message, a comment saying I subscribed. And I will go to your channel and I will do the same on your channel. And now we are going to the video of the assembling of the light button in the Corvette C3. So stay tuned. So now let's go to work. So, after connecting the vacuum tubes and the electrical connector, we did a cold start after a few months and tested the working of the vacuum regulator that lifts the headlights. And now, after that, we are going to do a test of the dashboard lights as well. Stay tuned for that. Well, I don't know if you can see me here because it is dark, but it is for the test of the dashboard. That's what we are going to do now. So that seemed to work as well. So now we have to reassemble the dash, and that's what we are going to do now. You will need a special screwdriver for this screw here, or a short one because the door is in the way here. Difficult with one hand filming and with the other hand doing the work, but that's okay. So that is that. Then we have these 3 screws on the dash. That is one already. This is 2. And that is going to be number 3. That is that. Then we have number 4. Seems to go okay. Okay. That's no, okay. And then the next one going to be here. And after all the work is done, I have to do some paint touches here and there, as you can see, but that's okay. And now the bolts on the bottom of the steering column. There and there. Then there is these two bolts of the steering column. This one and this one. So, like that. Okay. And then there is this assembly, what has to go on, what has to go back on, and that screws together. That screws together with this, with these two screws, like this. That's what we are going to do now. So everything is back on its place. The hood release is back. And this is screwed back on its place. And this is back on its place. So it's okay. And while we are pushing the vet back on its hibernating spot, consider subscribing, hit the like button, find us on Facebook, Twitter, and also on Instagram for a peek before the release of the next video. Thank you. So this is again a wrap for the video. Hope you liked it, and we will see you very soon in the next one.